This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to save a unit in tabs. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Unit Creator option. This is your dedicated workshop for crafting unique fighters. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various customization tools available. Before you proceed, ensure your unit's design is exactly how you envision it, ready to join your army. This initial step is crucial for a successful creation. Now, dive into the heart of creation. Begin by choosing a base faction and unit type, which sets the foundation for your warrior. You have hundreds of options for equipping weapons, armor, and unique abilities to make your unit truly stand out. Don't forget to fine-tune essential statistics such as health, damage output, and movement speed. Every decision here shapes your unit's performance on the battlefield. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to save it. Look for the prominent Save button, usually located at the bottom or side of the Unit Creator interface. You will then be prompted to assign a unique and memorable name to your custom unit. This name will help you identify it later. After entering the name, simply confirm the save to permanently store your new fighter for future battles. With your unit successfully saved, you can now deploy it in custom battles. Head over to the Custom Battle, or Sandbox mode, where you'll find your newly created unit listed among the available options. Select it and place it strategically on the battlefield. Take the opportunity to experiment with its performance, observe its strengths, and understand how it interacts with other units. Enjoy watching your unique creation in action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.